How Gen Z turned sneaker into culture. Walk into any college campus today and you will notice something instantly. Sneakers are everywhere, but most importantly, they mean something. At the Youth Talks, we explored a powerful question. How did Gen Z turn sneakers into culture and why are brands like Comet winning because of it? And the answers get far beyond fashion. It's about identity, storytelling, and belonging. Let's start with the core hypothesis that sneakers are no longer products, they are cultural language. For previous generations, sneakers were functional, something aspirational, and mostly about brands and logos. But Gen Z changed the game. Today, sneakers are more about identity makers, conversation starters, and a way to express your vibes. It's not what brand are wearing, it's what does this say about you. There are three big cultural forces behind this. Nostalgia meets internet culture. Gen Z loves era that they never lived in. 90s, early 20s or Y2K aesthetics. And platforms like Instagram and YouTube have made these styles mainstream again. Sneakers fits perfectly into this loop. They feel both retro and new. Second, social media is equal to discovery engine. Today, sneakers are not discoverable in stores. They are unboxed on reels, styled in outfit videos, and reviewed on YouTube and debated online. Every sneaker is content and every drop is a moment. Third, identity over aspiration. This is the biggest shift. Gen Zs are not trying to look rich or successful. They are trying to look authentic. They don't want what everyone else has. They want something that feels personal, expressive, and different. This is why something interesting is happening in India. Gen Z is not just chasing global brands anymore, they are backing homegrown labels. But why? Because local brands feel more relatable, more accessible, and more culturally aware. This is not about nationalism, it's about connection. And this is exactly where Comet comes in. Comet didn't position itself as India's Nike. Instead, it positioned itself as a cultural project, storytelling as product. Every sneaker drop has a story. Mango, Juno, or Ludo. These are not just designs, these are ideas you can wear. This turns sneakers into collectibles and conversation pieces. Community over celebrity. Instead of big influencers, Comet works with artists, designers, and creators, people who already shape culture. So the brand feels less marketing and more like community. Third, design plus accessibility. Comet balance both clean, wearable designs and affordable pricing, which is critical for Gen Z because they want style but also practicality. Fourth, retail as experience. Their story are not just a story. They are visual spaces, cultural hubs, and Instagrammable environment. Shopping becomes an experience and not transaction. So what does this teaches us? Culture beats campaign. Gen Z don't want to be sold to. They want to feel included, understood and represented. And brands that create that feeling wins. Sneakers today are more than fashion. They are a reflection of how Gen Z think. Meaning over status, expression over approval, culture over convention. So maybe the real question is, are you building a product or are you building something people want to belong to? Because Gen Z didn't just adopt sneaker culture, they turned it into a language and brand that learn to speak it will win.